This exercise will help you to relax when you start feeling anxious or overwhelmed. With practice, you'll be able to refocus your mind to the present moment. Throughout this exercise, you may notice your mind wandering. That is okay. The purpose of this relaxation is not to do it perfectly, but to do it without judgment. No matter what you notice, think of it as just being, without being good or bad. If you begin to think about something else, that isn't bad either. Just bring your attention back to the exercise when you notice. Begin the grounding exercise by sitting in a comfortable position. Plant your feet firmly on the floor to create your grounded center. Notice your breath. Let it be natural and comfortable for you. Bring attention to each inhale and exhale. Now bring your attention to your five senses. Begin with what you hear. First, notice the sound in your surroundings. What do you hear? The noise of an air conditioner, a clock ticking, the wind. Then pay attention to sounds a little further away. What do you hear? Someone talking in the distance, footsteps. You may notice sounds you hadn't heard before. Listen to the sounds without judgment. The different noises are not good or bad, they're just present. Now, notice any smells in the room. Try to identify them without judging if they are pleasant or not. What do you smell? A perfume, the smell of coffee in the distance. Recognize if they remind you of anything. Now look around. Notice things you hadn't noticed before. The way books are stacked on a desk, the color of the trees. Look for the colors around you and how the light is reflected. Pay attention to how the chair feels against your skin. Reach out and touch any other objects in the room. Notice the temperature, the shape, and the texture. Lastly, bring your attention back to your breath and how the exhale feels against the inside of your cheeks and tongue. Slowly transition your attention back to just your breathing. Now take a moment to notice how your body feels. How do you feel now compared to how you felt 5 minutes ago? Use this exercise when you're feeling overwhelmed or anxious to give yourself a few moments of non-judgmental being.